Out here in Arizona, I really like to have a dash cam. Such beautiful sights that we drive around through, and it's time for a new one. So I went with this VanTrue Nexus 2X for a number of reasons. This one is a Wi-Fi. This is the style that's small, as you can see. This is the manual for it as we open it up here. Some of the mounting stuff for the cords and the cables. But this one is fairly small. Some of them are really large. This one has 2 cameras, and it still manages to be quite small. It's a magnetic mount. One camera goes forward, and it has let's see, I guess this side goes forward, and this has the, what do they call it, the Sony technology that gets rid of all the glare. This side is going inward, so it's great for drivers, anyone that wants to see the inside as well as the outside all the time. And this has IR, so even at night you're going to see well. This is actually a screen under here, and we can control some of the unit from there. I might have had it upside down here. You can see there's buttons on the bottom side, but it also has voice commands, so you can say things like take a snapshot or turn on Wi-Fi. You can also see that there's a bunch of accessories on the side here so that you can hardwire it into the vehicle. And looking forward to running with this new VanTrue Nexus 2X. Hope this helps.